Okay, we're going to be sewing the Millie blouse lining, and first you want to put right sides together of the lining and the main. They've already been sewn at the shoulders. And then we're going to sew just along the neckline all the way around the curve. Okay, once that's been sewn, what we're going to do is we're going to clip little notches into our curve so that we can press the lining right side out. And now that it's been pressed, what we want to do is we want these to be sewn right sides together. So to do that, we're going to grab our lining and flip it so that the rest of the bodice is on the other side. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to roll up the back so it's out of the way, and so that seam is exposed. And then we're going to rematch up our lining to that seam so that the right sides sit together and the back bottom piece is sandwiched in between. And we're just going to sew right along that curve. And then flip the whole thing right side out, which can be a little bit of pulling, but I promise it all comes out. And then press it really well so that everything is smooth and flat and ironed. Okay, so now we need to enclose the front seams, and we're going to do that. We don't have to roll anything. We're just going to kind of flip it out of the way. And again, we're matching up the right sides together with the front bottom part sandwiched in between now. And then we're going to sew right along that straight line. And you're going to do the same thing for the other side so that you have two enclosed seams and the lining is completely sewn. Okay, now we're going to sew the placket for the Millie blouse. And for this one, I'm using a really lightweight fabric, so I line the back with the interfacing. It's optional for you. And what you're going to do is you're going to place the right side of the placket to the wrong side of the blouse, so right along the inside. And you want the placket piece to hang over the top by about a ½ inch. Well, or a ½ inch, I should say. And then you're just going to sew straight along that front center edge. Okay, so then you want to press the placket out flat and fold under the side edge and the top edge down, and make sure that the back is well pressed too. And then you're just going to fold the placket right in half so that the fold line meets the seam line, and then we're going to sew from the top edge over and down the side. Okay, so now our placket is sewn into place and it looks now beautiful and nice from both sides. And we're just going to do the same thing for the other side so that you have two placket pieces sewn. And that's it.